Today I'm giving you a 2-for-1 meal deal. So this week I made two delicious chicken dishes. The first one was an air fryer chicken parmesan. And the second one is a honey mustard chicken and broccoli. Let me show you how I made them. For the air fryer chicken, I just started by slicing each chicken breast horizontal and in half into a fillet. And then I season both sides with some pepper and some Mrs. Dash herb and garlic seasoning. I then added to a bowl some breadcrumbs and some Parmesan cheese. In another bowl, I just beat 2 eggs really well. Then I took each chicken fillet and I soaked it in the egg mixture, and then the Parmesan and breadcrumb mixture, and then I put it in my greased air fryer. Like that. I put it in a 375 air fryer for 5 minutes on one side and then flipped it over and I cooked it through on the other side. And then once they're both finished cooking and nice and crispy, I added some marinara to the tops of them, as well as some mozzarella cheese. I served them with just a side salad and cottage cheese, some orzo, and there is my finished chicken. It turned out excellent. I love the crispy cheese on it. It turned out amazing, you guys. It was so juicy. This is the perfect meal, and it's pretty good for you. Now for my second meal, this was also an amazing chicken meal. I will show you how I made this. I started with some Dijon mustard, and then added some honey. I put my diced up chicken breast in the mixture, and then I added some paprika, garlic salt, and onion powder. Gave that a really good mix. And then I put a couple tablespoons of oil into a hot pan and added my chicken. I spread them all out in a single layer and cooked them till they're a little bit crispy. I turned them over individually and cooked the other side crispy. Now these ones were pretty small, so they cooked pretty fast. I then added some frozen broccoli. You can also add fresh, and about a 1/4 cup of some chicken broth just so I could steam the broccoli. I covered that, and oh my gosh, it looks so good. I guess I just gave it a final stir, and then I served it over top of rice. Don't forget that sauce. And then I topped mine with some sesame seeds. And that was dinner, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.